Yo guys, how's it going? AK Moto here. Today we're going to be doing a quick unboxing video of this TwinAir bio system, which comes with, well, I'll show you. This came in last night, so I wasn't able to open it right away. If that opened, here we are. I don't know why, but this box smells like Fruit Loops. I'm not sure why, it just does. And we got this filter as well. I'll leave a link in the description for the unboxing video for the filter. So, here's what you get. A few little accessories for the bucket. Oh shoot, I'm out of frame. A few accessories for the bucket. Yeah. This one's for the bottom of the bucket, and this one's for holding the filter in place. Next, we have some TwinAir contact cleaner for your filter's cage. That's pretty cool. Yeah, contact cleaner. Next, we have some TwinAir Bio Dirt Remover, which actually comes in a powder, which you mix with water. So, yeah, that's, yep, Bio Dirt Remover. Yeah, you can see it right here. You mix it in with water. And then we have some, obviously, TwinAir Biofilter Oil in a metal container. This one's slightly dented. Oh, I have to mention, I did not buy this from where I normally would buy this, Motorsport. I bought this from Walmart.com, and the box had another company on it. So, I don't know how many trips this box could have made, but, I mean, to save 10 bucks, I bought it from Walmart.com. Well, I should have bought it from Motorsport, because, I don't know. I guess just stuff would be, like, dented like this. I mean, nothing's broken. And I don't really care if that's a little dented, but I don't really know how many carriers and stuff they went through to get here. Because, I don't know. Walmart, it took a long time to get here, so my guess is it went through quite a lot of shipping. We have some instructions, but they're kind of beat up. Which kind of makes me think that, yeah, it definitely went through a long shipping. Because it did take a while to get here. And the buckets. Oh, we also got some gloves here. Some gloves, that's pretty cool. And a little book. So, we have our two tubs. This is an oiling tub. As you can see, it's a little scratched up in the bottom. My guess is from all the stuff that was in here. No holes or anything. And it's just a little bit of scratching. No, you won't see it anyway, but yeah, again, it's probably because I bought it from a supplier that had it shipped a very long distance, stuff rattling around, dented it up. So, not TwinAir's fault at all. It's actually kind of my fault from not buying it from a good, reliable source. But other than that, it looks good. And it's a pretty tough little bucket, you know? It doesn't flex a whole lot, which is pretty neat. Not one bit scratched up or anything, other than in there where the contents set. So, yeah, there's that. I'm gonna put this off to the side. Then we have the large cleaning bucket, which is huge. Yep, here it is. Has a little TwinAir sticker in it. There's one TwinAir sticker. And a huge cleaning bucket. Even has a handle. Then you have the lid for this one too, so you can seal it up and put it in your garage, you know? Yeah. All TwinAir colored and TwinAir themed. Then a bucket, a lid for the cleaning tub. And these two restrainers are actually for the cleaning tub. This orange one sits at the bottom, basically to keep your filter. Because you can clean multiple filters with the same amount of filter cleaner, This will keep your filter from sitting in the dirt and dust, which will make your filter cleaner last longer if you can clean more filters without your filter touching the dirt at the bottom. So that's cool. And it also has a little, I guess, restrainer you can call it, which goes in the bucket. And since you want your foam filter to be submerged in the cleaner, basically it is foam, it'll float up. So this will keep it from floating up just by kind of going in place like that, and it won't go up. So that's cool. And it actually works pretty good. I heard some people say that it doesn't work. It works pretty good. So yeah, that's cool. And then of course here's the lid. Seals up nice, and it says because the bucket's so big, it comes with a little handle. That's neat. And it's a tough bucket, pretty durable, and just good quality from TwinAir in general. All right, let's see what we have in the box. Ooh, that's a lot of stickers. All right, let's count how many stickers I got in this box. Ha, man, look at all these stickers, guys. So we have one right there, 2, 3, 4, here, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 stickers came with this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, we got 11 stickers. That's yeah. So if any of you guys want a TwinAir sticker, just or you guys are collecting TwinAir stickers or something, hey, buy the system. It'll make your life easier for cleaning your filters, and you'll get a whole lot of TwinAir stickers. I don't know what that was, but I actually didn't expect these gloves to come with the TwinAir stuff. I'm actually kind of surprised. But yeah, they just give you a little pack of gloves. That's cool. Attention to detail. Good old TwinAir. I'll check out this contact cleaner. It's pretty heavy, so they definitely didn't give you some cheap, like, halfway full contact cleaner. It's definitely pretty heavy and full, so that's good. And this is, again, for cleaning things like your airbox and, your, airbox, filter cage and stuff like that. And as you can see, it has a tiny little nozzle right there. It doesn't have a huge straw. It just has a tiny little nozzle, which is kind of cool. Kind of cool. The little thing where your finger goes feels pretty cool. It has like a little bump at the end, which gives you good grip when you're spraying down your airbox. And again, it's pretty heavy, so they definitely loaded a lot of contact cleaner in here. The biofilter oil, I already have a can of this, but yeah, it's green, light green. Basically, when you have it on the filter. It'll look something like this. As you can see the filter. Here, I'll kind of see that. Yeah, you see that. The filter's pretty light green. That's basically this oil. Any pre-oiled filter you buy comes with the bio filter oil. And obviously, if you don't buy a pre-oiled filter, I'll have a link in the description to where you can buy all these off of a good company, Motorsport, which I normally buy from. I bought from Walmart.com. Saved a little money, but paid the consequence because of how long it got shipped and because of the scratches. Again, not TwinAir's fault at all. Just my fault from not buying from a super reliable company, and it was shipped a super far distance, so stuff rattled around, and, you know. Yeah, but yeah, that's pretty much that. Basically this, you mix in with water again, some warm water, and it goes in here. So, let's get this manual over here. A cool little picture. So basically it has some different products they have, things like air filters. They have the story of their company. Over 40 years ago, the sandy, gritty soil of the Netherlands and the resulting engine failures proved that single foam and paper filters gave riders airflow, but failed at protection. So back then they were using paper filters. TwinAir's breakthrough focused dual layer design, now widely copied, combined performance and protection. The fused layers of open pore foam and fine inner foam trap even the smallest particles. The new rounded design boosts airflow. So do the minimized seams made possible by a revolutionary microgluing process. Shortened seams equals more foam equals more flow. So that's a little bit of backstory and how TwinAir filters really get that good performance. That's pretty cool. And of course, washable and washable and reusable. So yeah. There's a little bit of backstory. Power flow kit, that looks pretty cool. Their coolant, no, that's not their coolant. That's their original dirt remover kit. There's the bio dirt remover. The system, which is what I bought. Ooh, they have exhaust plugs, an airbox cover. I have one of those, and then. Alright, so here's a few more different accessories. They have airbox vents. I've never seen those before though. Fuel filter. Unfortunately, they don't make one for my bike. Dust cover. I've seen those. Filter bolt. I've seen those. Radiator gauze. Don't make them for my bike. Radiator foam. I've not seen those. Fuel tank foam. Foot peg foam and skid plate foam. I feel like some of these stuff might not be available. Or maybe only available to teams or something. Because a lot of these I have not seen before. Air filter sealant. Man, they have a lot of products. I just didn't see them. Throttle body kit and oil cooler kit. I know those are a little expensive. But yeah, that's just a little book of most of their products right now. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's see what this little instruction says. Kind of beat up doing a shipping. Basically tells you how to clean your filter. Or just how to use these little pieces right here. Which, for those wondering, they're metal. They're not plastic. These are also, the tubs, there we go, are obviously plastic. But these are metal. They're definitely metal. Yeah, you can see they don't flex much. And I'm squeezing them pretty hard. So, yeah, they're most definitely metal. Little metal pieces. This is metal, and this is plastic. But, I mean, if you guys have any questions, please, ask me in the comment section below. Hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. And if you're wondering how much these retail for, if you can, find a full kit on Motorsport for like 80 bucks, which it may sound a little expensive. Don't get me wrong, but I mean, for the amount of stuff you get, and for the quality, and how tough these little buckets are, the contact cleaner, a whole lot of it, some oil, everything, the full kit, it's a good buy. I'd say it's definitely a good buy. And then if you pair it up with a foam filter, you're gonna be having yourself a good time. So yeah, I mean, filter cleaning, not everyone's favorite thing to do, but you can make it a whole lot easier with this. Because, I mean, I use some tiny little bins to oil my filters right now. I used to use that aerosol spray for my 85, and that worked fine. But, you know, I feel a lot better submerging my filter in oil and squeezing it out. But yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. Again, pick up on one of these kits, and then the pre-oiled filter, I'll link in the description below at motorsport.com, which is a website I trust. They have always given me good customer service, and yeah, they just go the extra mile for you. So yeah, hope you guys have enjoyed the video. I might put a quick clip. No, I'm gonna do another video, a full, what I fully think about TwinAir. Like, this is just an unboxing video. But I'm gonna do a video about me actually cleaning filters, going and cleaning them, and then just kind of, yeah, testing out this whole system. Throw this filter in the bike, so, yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Subscribe for more upcoming videos. I'll upload a riding video soon of my new Pro Shot cam that goes on the front of my helmet. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.